These plugs are definitely ready to go. I want to zoom in really tight on the first ignition coil. They're all going to be the same thing. You've got two bolts right here that you need to pull out, and you're going to have to lift this collar. Now you can use a flat-bladed screwdriver. You can gently lift this collar to pick it up, and that will loosen up the plug here on the ignition coil. Now the other thing you're going to want to do is use a 10mm socket and loosen both of these. Now with all of this stuff, just work slowly. Work really carefully. I always do one coil at a time. That way there's never any confusion for me of where the coil goes, which cable goes where. They're all wired certain ways, so it would be difficult to confuse which one goes where, but I try my best to try to make it as simple as possible as I can. So as this last bolt comes out, see that come out. You might see over on the other side, I've got a towel laid down so my tools aren't sitting on anything on the motor. So you can lift this, the coil will lift up. You lift it up and away. As you can see, it comes up and away that way. The plug comes off and the coil comes out. And be really gentle with the coils. They're fairly durable, but I'm always super careful with them. So now the plug is out. I've got my spark plug all the way down on the bottom. I'm going to get my spark plug socket, my long extension, and my ratchet, and I'm going to take that spark plug out. And I'll show you now. And then the other thing we're going to do is when we put the first spark plug back in, we're going to talk about correct torque and how to be really careful with that. So let's get this plug out. Due to the length of my socket, I actually ended up using my shorter extension, but use whatever works for you. All right, so last little bit, it's loose. Last little bit I can just kind of undo by hand, take it out. Now my socket, my spark plug socket fits in over the top of the spark plug, so it pulls it out perfectly. And yeah, I mean, these plugs are definitely ready to go.